Studies show that first impressions are formed within seconds of meeting someone, and in your home, the entryway is where that initial impression is created.
Hi, I'm BaiXu, a licensed architect. On this channel, I share design knowledge from the field of architecture, interior design, and environmental psychology so we can make our homes really nice together. And in this video, I want to go over some common design mistakes people make when it comes to their entryway and what we can do about them instead.
A tiny floating area rug in the middle of your entryway makes the space feel even smaller and a bit disconnected. It creates an awkward island effect that throws off the proportions of the room. So instead, opt for a rug that's wider than the width of the door. In the hallway, if you have furniture in place, ideally the front legs of the furniture such as a console table or bench should sit on the rug. The entryway is the first impression into your home. You want to create a good impression, not a depression. If the initial view is into a mountain of clutter or a really messy, chaotic room like the kitchen, it can stress you out when you're entering your own home. So to fix it, be sure to invest in storage solutions like shoe racks, coat hooks, or baskets and storage bags for keeping items organized and off the floor. And if your home opens up directly into another room which tends to be quite messy, consider adding a room divider, a curtain, or just strategic furniture placement to block the view of any of that mess as you enter. Without a dedicated spot, small everyday items like keys, mail, and sunglasses can become easily misplaced. And when these small items end up scattered across various surfaces, your entryway can quickly transform into a mess. Instead, incorporate a specific area near the entrance where you can easily deposit your everyday essentials. This can be a stylish tray or bowl to collect your keys. It can be a wall-mounted organizer or an entryway table with built-in drawers and compartments that you can store your little items. A console table is a great place to store your keys, letters, and anything else that you bring into your home at your entrance. However, if you make the mistake that I did, which is to get a console table that's completely open with no drawers or closed storage, it becomes a surface where you can only put nice decorative objects, because as soon as you leave things that doesn't look good on it, it becomes really ugly and messy. So if you haven't got yourself one yet, make sure you get one with a drawer that allows you to hide away all your everyday items and crap so everything looks clean and organized. And if you already have one where it looks a little bit messy, use baskets, trays to hide the clutter. We all need a place to store our shoes, especially at the entrance of our home. A common mistake I see people make is that they put up shelves for storing their shoes without measuring how much space they actually need. Everyone has feet of different sizes, some bigger than others. So make sure you don't commit yourself to shoe storage that's a little bit too shallow for most of your shoes. Cramming your shoes in can bend the straps, snap your heels, and leave your favorite boots looking like deflated balloons. A shallow coat closet has the same problem. You don't want to be frustrated every day fighting a bulging wardrobe door that refuses to close. A rule of thumb is to have a wardrobe that's at least 60 centimeters deep. And if you only have space for a shallow wardrobe, you can just buy the ones where the coats are facing you. It's not going to be as convenient, but sure, it's better than nothing. The entryway is a high traffic area exposed to dirt, moisture, and debris tracked in from outside. Softer, delicate flooring like carpets or unsealed wood can easily get stained, scuffed, or water damage. So if you get a chance to pick the finish in your home, make sure the area around your entrance is finished off in a durable and easy to maintain finish. If you can't change the flooring, layer on a durable area rug on top of the existing flooring can help trap dirt and protect the floor material underneath. The entrance is the last stop you go before you head out the door and the first sight that greets you upon returning your home. Before you head out the door, maybe you want to have a last minute appearance check to make sure you don't have a stray piece of hair or, like dirt on your face. And also, entrances are not usually the biggest and brightest room in our home, so placing a mirror strategically can create the illusion of a larger and brighter space. They reflect light and visually expand the space, making a potentially small cramped area feel a little bit more spacious. And it's just generally a nice piece of decor.